In 2006, we launched MFS as a specialist lender to provide support to property investors that needed to move in quickly in an incredibly buoyant market, where properties were in high demand and the banks were simply not fast enough. 2 years later, the global crisis hit us all. Whilst the wider industry struggled to survive and the banks stopped lending, our funding provided flexibility in a financial system that was complicated to say the least. We were then supporting borrowers in an environment where the banks had let them down. Now, 16 years later, having been through Brexit, the pandemic, and now the hiking interest rate, we still maintain our commitment to speed and adaptability.
On top of prioritising flexibility for our clients, we've committed to many social causes since our creation. In recent years, we've supported multiple charities, including Children with Cancer, Richard House, and Go Beyond, to name a few. I'm also so proud of our diversity. Our teams are made up of people from a broad range of backgrounds, while many of our management positions are filled by women who absolutely overachieve.
We'll do everything we can to help our team support their underlying clients. Fortunately, we have many resources to help with this. MFS can draw on a range of professional relationships that we've built and nurtured over the years.
With access to a panel of trusted solicitors and valuers, multiple and growing funding lines, along with in-house funds, and a tailored internal infrastructure designed to make the underwriting process as swift as possible.
Our staff can be sure that they have what they need to succeed.
Here at MFS, few things are prioritised like team solidarity. Our staff are supported to make sure they're happy and productive in their work. Because we want our team to excel, we're happy to help them progress in their careers with mentoring, training and education programmes all available.
We also think it's really important to have a positive, comfortable and motivating environment to work in. As you can see, our headquarters are pretty special, with memorabilia from numerous charity auctions and interesting art adorning the walls. We like to think there's something for everyone to enjoy. We also love a work event. Everything from all staff lunches all the way through to weekends away at 5-star hotels.